If you have been part of the degenerate online space of making money online, you have probably seen this guy right here. His name is Musa Mustafa and he got famous because he's clipping. He's posting a lot of clips on social media, on TikTok, on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and he's making money with it. And he's very young. I think right now he's just 20 and he became a millionaire when he was 17, I think, something of this sort. And he's flexing, he's showing you that he has this great lifestyle, he's traveling around, he's having fun, he's providing for his family. And all of that at just the ripe age of 20. And he has made this money again, I'm telling you, with only posting on TikTok. But he wasn't always like this. He comes from a working class Muslim family. He's very respectful of his parents. You can see that in his content. And ever since he was 14 years old, he was in the online make money space. He was a video editor. He was managing Discord servers, flipping clothes, things like that. I don't remember. I haven't watched podcasts with him. And he really has tried and failed a lot of business models. Until finally, he managed to land this guy, you probably know him too, Sneeko, as a client. And he got Sneeko as a client and he managed to blow up Sneeko. So how he did it? He was the inventor of this degenerate brain rot format with the split screen, the streamer on top, some sort of gameplay on the bottom, in this case GTA gameplay, but then it evolved with Subway Surfers gameplay, Minecraft parkour gameplay, satisfying videos. You've seen them. He is the inventor of the brain rot style we all love today. Since then, he has parted ways with Sneeko and he has his own personal brand. And of course, in the classic guru fashion, while he's selling courses, software, he's promoting something entirely else. The vehicle which supposedly got him to making a lot of money, clipping. And clipping, if I have to explain it with one term only, it would be the art of building a symbiotic relationship with a creator in which you help them massively distribute their content across all social media in exchange for money. And since Musa went public, a lot of other gurus, people like this guy, you have probably seen him too, they've also went out, they vouch for this method. Clipping is such a great skill, they say, it's such a great business model. And also this platform right here, WOP, it became popular very recently, especially when Iman Gaji was revealed to be one of the co-owners of it. And really, in 2025, clipping is on the rise and is mainstream more than ever. But what if I told you that this is actually one of the biggest scammy business models that is to have ever come out in history? This is probably a bigger scam than the pumpfund.com, where people think that they're going to launch a meme coin and they're going to rook all these people. Like, bro, you're not doing that. People are thinking the same with clipping. Yo, I'm going to screen record content and I'm going to add the GTA gameplay on the bottom and I will generate the captions and I will upload it on TikTok and it's going to blow up and the TikTok creator program is going to pay me all of this money, blah, 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 blah. You're broke, my guy. You're not going to make money with clipping. And today, in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why. So, think about clipping like a Chinese sweatshop. You know, in China, in the sweatshops, tons of people are working there. They're making cheap garbage like this. They mass produce it and they sell it to the masses and they make money because a ton of people buy this shit for cheap and they pay these workers here cheap wages, or they don't pay them at all, because who are these people? Like, this is a nobody, and who is the boss? This guy. He has all the power, all the money, he has the law behind him. Like, these people, if they don't get paid, like, they can't do anything. So clipping is basically the same. The degenerate streamers which you're going to clip, they must produce shit. They must produce shit content, and you're like their tiny little slave, and you suck up to them, and you clip their shitty content into even shittier content, and you distribute it to the masses, and this is how supposedly you are going to get paid. Now, what these influencers like Musa, they don't tell you that clipping is actually a fucking laborious work. You have to be on your phone every single fucking day, looking through their bullshit streams or videos, and it's like watching long form brain rot, because really this is long form brain rot, and you need to watch this brain numbing content, and you need to pick the best pieces of it which you can clip, and they have the potential to go viral on social media, but you also have to edit them so TikTok doesn't think you are a fucking bot and you're a spammer, and they don't shadow ban you and in the end end up not making any money. And let's say you actually make the clip go viral. The pay is fucking ridiculously low. Like, ridiculously low. Some of these gurus try to tell you that the RPM for clipping is much higher on YouTube and TikTok, but this is not the case. A lot of these RPMs that you can see on wob.com are like 20 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents, and this is abysmal, bro. Like, they also tell you that it's so easy to go viral, but in reality it's not. It really isn't easy to go viral. A lot of these streamers are not funny, they're repetitive, their content is repetitive, their jokes are repetitive, and really only a few streamers manage to go viral, and even fewer clips of them manage to go viral, and even fewer clippers manage to find these exact moments at the right time, clip them fast enough, make the edit good enough, and to go viral, and all the rest scums like you, they end up working for pennies. Like, you're working for pennies, and your work, you produce shit, and when you produce shit you get paid shit. So yeah, and don't forget, most of the time you will be working for these streamers through wob.com. So you're not entirely building a relationship with the streamers. You're relying on the agency which is registered on WOP in their name. So you are not directly communicating with them. So you just have no fucking leverage in this exchange. The streamer has all the leverage, and honestly, the managers, most of the times, they're too strict, they're fucking dicks, and you're not going to get paid anything. Now, some of you losers might say, but Musa did it, and to you guys, you're not him. Honestly, you're not him. Musa, no offense to the guy, but he got lucky. He was at the right place, at the right time. Also, he had tons of experience previously, which I gotta respect that. Because he has told people numerous times that he was in the game since 14 years old. He has been editing tons of videos, he has been posting on theme pages a lot of time, he has a lot of volume put in the game, so he knows how to go viral, and this is why when he had the opportunity to work with Sneeko, he managed to knock it out of the ballpark. So yeah, respect to fucking Musa. but most probably you are not Musa. You're not him. Also, a lot of this shit is monopolized. There are other methods to clip. For example, you can make these brain rot AI stories, but again, people like Musa have monopolized this game. They have tons of pages doing exactly that, and TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, they're most likely going to flag your content as spam because it's not original. It's not different enough than that of the main players, which are Musa and the other people who are promoting this shit. While in reality, they're only in the game and sell you dreams because they want to sell you on their software, Creo, or their overpriced courses about clipping and their overpriced mentorship programs because somehow you think that you need some guy to watch your brain rot content and to tell you it's not brain rot enough. So yeah, it's not worth it. Really, it's not fucking worth it. And I hope you never find success in this business model. For real. I hope you never find success in this business model. Because one, you're promoting degenerate individuals and degeneracy because, let's be honest, all streamers are fucking degenerates. All streamers are degenerates. You work long hours just because this guy here and this guy here and this guy here, this is Aiden Ross when he was younger, so they can make more money. And you're going to tell me, but bro, Mike, I'm also making money, but you see the views to them, they are much more worthy than the 50 cents they are going to pay you for 1,000 views you get them. Like, this meme right here, it exemplifies the relationship you built with these streamers when you were a clipper for them. They got all the rewards, all the benefits, and you get basically nothing. It's not worth it. And if you try doing this shitty business model, I really hope you never find success in it. Because one, I don't want these degenerates to get more successful than they are already. And two, I don't want you promoting degeneracy. If you're going to promote degeneracy, at least be the sole winner. At least win a lot from it. But you're promoting degeneracy and you're getting paid fucking cents for it. And if this isn't enough for you, let's think it this way. Why would you spend your time working on another man's business? You're laughing so much at the NPCs who go to their 9-to-5 jobs and they're working for somebody else's dream. Well, motherfucker, you're doing exactly the same. You're working for these idiots right here, building their dream, building their life, getting them views, and you get nothing in return. You get pennies. Like, you take on all the fucking risk because when you work for these guys, labor unions don't exist. Guaranteed salaries do not fucking exist because again, you're not working directly with them. You're working with their shitty managers on WAP and they can just decide to ignore you, not pay you, ghost you, reject your claims. And bro, it's fucking retarded. Or if you're making the AI brain rot stories, well, the platforms can just decide to not pay you. The platforms can just disappear overnight. You saw it with TikTok in the USA. So yeah, you get all the fucking risk with zero of the fucking reward. So, what you should do instead? Because I know you will be asking me this. Well, you know the best project you ever work on is you. So you should start working on your own business. And I don't care what it's going to be. You can do SMMA, you can do window cleaning, office cleaning, drop shipping, even something shitty as day trading, which we all know is a scam, but at least it's better to gamble your money than to fucking work for these guys. Do you want to work for Jack Doherty? Like, do you want to work for this faggot? Or this Pranjit right here who somehow got famous? Or Aiden Ross, the Jewish guy? No, it's much better to work for yourself. So I don't care what it is. Just pick a fucking business and start working for yourself. But clipping, remember, this is not a business model. I don't care what these guys tell you. It's just a worse version than a 9 to 5. So please, for the love of God, for the love of yourself, for your fucking sake, do not do clipping. Ignore clipping. Don't ever get involved with clipping unless you are a content creator, big content creator. Then okay, you can scam the masses, but at least this way you get all the rewards and you scam the others and you yourself don't get scammed. And of course, to close the video, if you have been involved with clipping, I want you to right now go on wop.com, delete your account, leave all of the WOP communities out there which are for clipping, leave them and get in some serious business model. Fuck this shit. And remember, if you don't do it, somebody else will. Goodbye.